All right, scope it out. Got the turf put on it. This is a cover I built for back here in the splash well. Just as basically to keep silvers from jumping on my boat and going down all the way to the bottom and up underneath the floor. I've had them up past the console before and had to fish them out, and it's no good chore. All the cables and stuff in there, it's real hard to get them out. So I had this buddy of mine build this. It comes out just like that. As you can see, you got I think it's an inch and maybe a quarter angle that goes up the sides. That goes along this edge and along that edge. And then the brace goes from here across as a 1-inch tubing, and it goes from here in front of the hydraulic lines. Whoops, excuse me. Here in front of the hydraulic lines, all the way across, and it has a piece of angle on the end so it sits on the edge. But basically, it just pops in place. You just place this in here, put the angle in. There you go. Good as good. That's going to help me a lot next month when I go up and shoot some silvers. Take some boys up there to do it. We still have this little hole right here. I plan on putting a jack plate on it, so I had to make sure I had room for all that when I move everything back. But I think we can keep them from going down in that hole. If they make it in that hole, then they're pretty small for one, and two, they earned me having to work to get them out of the boat, I guess. As you see, we got a gap running along the back too for my cables here and for my hydraulic lines, and then the hole here where my plug for my charger comes out and my motor cables. So look back, looks like she's meant to be there. All right, on to the next project.